morning. Tanghali na tayo, guys. Yan, dito kami ulit, guys. Dito kami ulit sa flood control project. Yan, guys. Ayan, ang daming sasakyan, guys. Oh, daming sasakyan. Yan, guys. Itong kahoy na to. Oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak niya, guys. Ang ganda ng bulaklak niya. Yan, oh. Naglalaglagan siya, guys. Oh, kulay puti. Yan, guys. Ang daming sasakyan doon. Mga nag-ano yata ng yan. Yan. Ng flood control. Yan, chine-check yata yung flood control project nila dito, guys. Kaya, let's go. Tingnan natin, guys. Tingnan natin yung tingnan natin ulit, guys. Yan, wari ko yung bakal, pinalitan na. Yan, no, parang bago. Parang bago na yung bakal. Yan, may dalawang chikiting nga nagalalakad. Yan, guys. Ay. Yan na. Yan. Yan yata yung contractor ng DPW. Yan, guys. Yan. Wow. Medyo kaganda siguro yung dito. Yan, oh. Yan na. Oh. Yan ang mga contractor yun. Black yan na, guys. Hanggang doon. Doon may ginagawa yun. Yan, guys. Nagawa na nila, guys. Yan. Come. Manya makan. Ha? Putong. Sudah putong. Come back. Come. Flower. Go. See? Oh. Come. Go. Come. Tama o jalan. Go. Here. Flower. Here. Go. Here. Go. Come. Up, up, up. Up. Come. Come. Here. Ayaw mo. Oh. Here, here, here. Come here. Flower. Here, here. Go. Here, here. Up. Good girl. Stick higher. Yan, oh. Gay, oh. Yan, guys. Mawawala na yung kagubatan dito, guys. Kaya ang daming ang daming ahas na tumatakas, lumilipat doon sa mga bahay-bahay. Yan. Come. Come here. Ah. Kala ko tino-tino. Okay, go. 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 Go, go, go. Go, go, go.